Rael Mboro from Umoja Credit Services based at Molo Town. Barefoot Solar Connect is very good because it has saved people from kerosene. People have saved money. Also, we have introduced another one this year, and the Powerfoot Go. And also the Powerfoot Go, they can charge their phone, they can use radio. Also, there is something that you usually buy called the inverter that enables us to watch television. I'll tell the people who doesn't have the Barefoot Solar to get them. They can also buy at the supermarket because the Barefoot Solar Connect is Tuskys. It is countrywide. Uchumi. Yeah, and with Barefoot Connect, you don't expect the monthly bill that you get in electricity.
I'm Millicent Owiti from Water Youth Development Project, and I'm very proud to be here because the solar system is helping a lot, and mostly in Makueni area where there is less electricity. They use a lot of solar to light their homes, their fires, and they also use it in their television and the radios, even to charge their phone, so it makes life easier.
My name is Mshemi Derito. I'm working at Bailey Agencies, that is Francis Ticket Derito. I work in Nyeri, and I've made a few sales of the Firefly. And when I made those sales, I made them at night. Yeah?
So you're a dealer?
I'm a dealer. So when there's blackout, I used to go to my vehicle and pick out that light and I place it on the table where I'm having meat and maybe a beer with my friends. And they say, you're selling this. And I tell them I have stock in the car. So they come and they buy. So we are competing against darkness. So if you need to sell this product, please know that your competitor is darkness, and that is the way forward. Always make sure that you compete against darkness and against any blackout that is there, and you definitely make a sale.
Okay.
And also make sure that you also identify those areas where people deal with biogas. That is my new market that I've identified. Because with biogas, there's no light, and also biogas, they are trying to use that, but you can also sell solar through those people who have biogas. I make good money out of the product, and I cannot have any regrets about it.
Yeah.
And I'm still willing now to move from the Firefly to Barefoot Go, or to the 6000 series,
yeah,
as I identify more customers into the interior areas, where maybe in Kieni, maybe in Nyeri, in Kieni, that is in areas like Karimeno. That is my next market, and areas like Manyata, where there is no electricity, and those are my next areas that I want to target.